When thinking of Australia, it is hard not to conjure up an image of a kangaroo or wallaby. They're just one of those animals that you have to stop and point out whenever you see one. And a place you're guaranteed to not only see, but also interact and feed too, is here at Caversham Wildlife Park. Around 30 minutes from Perth CBD, located on 16 acres of land within the Whiteman Park Conservation and Recreation Reserves, you'll find this native Australian animal wonderland. With over 2,000 animals calling this park home, you'll be spoilt for choice. Today though, I'm keen to learn some more about our mate Skippy. All right, Deb, so tell me, how many species of kangaroos and wallabies do you have in here?
So we have red kangaroos and western grey kangaroos, and we have agile wallabies, my personal favourite.
And what is the difference between a kangaroo and a wallaby?
Well, there's actually quite a few differences, but the most easiest thing to recognise is the size. Most wallaby species won't get any heavier than about 20 kilos, so they're quite a bit smaller than a kangaroo.
I've also seen some white kangaroos in here as well. Can you tell me about them?
Yeah, so our white kangaroos are a red kangaroo, just with a white coat. Now, it's called leucism. Male and female will carry a recessive gene, which results in lack of pigment in the joey. So it's the same reason that we have white tigers and some other animals around the world as well.
And Deb, is there anything we should know before coming into the kangaroo enclosure?
Yeah, it's really important that we remember that we are a guest in their home. This is where they live. So we want to make sure that when we're moving around really respectfully, nice and calm and slow and quiet. And when we're feeding them, not trying to shove the food in. If they're not hungry, that's okay. We can walk around and find one that is hungry.
Now, do you have any favourites? I know you shouldn't, but are there any kangaroos in here that are your favourite?
That's right, we really shouldn't. But Digit is a favourite for everyone.
And why is that?
She's really special girl. She's got a beautiful personality. Should we go and meet her?
I reckon, I'd love to. Well, I found Digit. Here she is. She is a western grey kangaroo, and I can see why she's Deb's favourite. She is absolutely adorable. Now, Digit was actually brought to Caversham Wildlife Park as an orphan joey, and she got the name Digit because she's actually missing a few of her little fingers here. Now, if she was living in the wild, she may have trouble surviving. So that's why the work here at Caversham Wildlife Park is so important, to continue supporting these species so they can grow in the future. The park gives you the opportunity to hang out and feed these cuties here in the kangaroo enclosure, located in the centre of the park, home to the red and western grey kangaroos, as well as some agile wallabies. See if you can pick the different species. This is the chill out zone where the roos come when they want a little break. They're mostly snoozing, as you can see, or maybe looking for a little bite to eat. So grab some food on your way in, take a slow stroll past and see who's hungry. The kangaroo enclosure is open at 9 to 4:30 daily, and these guys will be here hanging out, ready to meet you. Just one of the countless interactive native animal experiences waiting for you at Caversham Wildlife Park.